How's it going, guys? Hunter again, Precision Retrofits. Today you got another video for you. Hope all you're having a great day and you're being productive, whatever it may be. But today we got some lights we're going to show you that we're going to be doing for a customer here locally. They're for a brand new Dodge 2500. They're the full LED package. We're going to be opening them. We're going to be painting them to match, putting them back together, and then going to go take them, give them back to the customer. Throw them on the truck, and it's just gonna change the look of his truck pretty much. So we got them, they're sitting right here actually. These are actually off of the Limited, is what these ones are off of. So with these ones, we're actually gonna be, like I said, pulling them apart. All this chrome is gonna be gone. This amber reflector is gonna be gone as well. We're gonna be swapping that with a clears lens from our friends up in Canada. And we're gonna be swapping that one, and all of this chrome here gonna be white. I think we're gonna leave a little accent of the chrome on the inside, but the rest of it's gonna be white. So yeah, we'll show you the inside of these, kind of see what they actually look like, and then we're gonna get a little bit of footage of the paint and go from there. So let's get it going. Woo! We'll see if we can actually fit these lights in the oven, because they're massive and our oven's not massive, so we're gonna do our best to get them to fit in here, but we're gonna get it done.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we got the lens off. This is what it looks like without the lens on. And it's really just this one main piece here that sits on its own, and then it's obviously got the reflector in there. Again, we're swapping that out with the clears reflector, and then this is what the inside of the light looks like. So you have your turn signal down here, the LED chips in there, you have the DRL that runs through the middle with the diffuser, and then your high beam and your low beam projector. And these lights are pretty high tech, but we still got to clean up the sealant. Like I said, this is just one piece, so this will be fairly easy. It's pretty much ready to go, but we gotta pop these off first. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll go ahead and open our second light. Alright, so we got our pieces out. We got the shrouds taken out from the inside of the light, and now this is good to go. You just need to clean the channels out, and we'll get this stuff dechromed and take out this lens. Still got to come out, and then this reflector needs, or the amber reflector needs to come out. But while we do that, I'm actually going to throw the other one in the oven and pop that one open. And while that's in the oven, we'll probably take the amber reflector out of the chrome piece as well as that lens, and then wait for that other one to get out of the oven and get that other one opened and go from there.
Meanwhile, two hours later.
You about done over here? Yeah, he is. Nah, if anybody or any of you have cleaned out channels before like this, you know that the worst part of baking open lights, whatever it is cleaning out the channels, because it's absolutely horrible. So we'll give them a pat on the back, maybe. But no, now that we got this one open, or this one finished cleaning out, we got the other one open. He's got one more to do actually, so or we'll make Josh do that. We'll figure it out. So we got this one open, and now this one's good to go. So we're pretty much done with this. We got the other pieces dechromed over there. We got one of the pieces dechromed. We still gotta dechrome this here that we just got open. But we'll dechrome this and then get it painted and get them thrown back together. Alright, so we just finished everything up. We got them sealed. And they're pretty much ready. So all we got to do now is get them polished, cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll go take them, put them on the truck. But I'll just show you them here. They look a lot better. And so these ones we're actually able to bake open, unlike the newer Fords, which we typically cut open. These ones are baked open, channels are cleaned with new sealant. You can see it here. Gives that factory seal look, and it'll seal just as good, if not better, than from the factory. But that white and chrome pairs really nicely with the clears lens. So yeah, tomorrow we're actually probably going to take them to our buddy and help him put them on the truck, and then we'll give you shot of the full front end once it's all the way done. But they look a lot better than when they did stock. So if you're in the need of getting your new Ram lights done, whatever it may be, hit us up. Alright, so we're here with Julio. We're getting his lights back on. We're here at Rob Green actually, because he painted all his pieces over there, and he's the body shop guy over here. So we picked up his headlights, did them for him, brought them back. We're gonna help him throw this back together for him, and it's gonna look pretty good. We'll show you the parts over here, all that he got painted. This is the grill. It's the, what's it, the pearl, is it called pearl white?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in the Dodge pearl white color. And he left all the brushed accents here and the chrome ram, and it came out pretty nice. And then he painted all the plastics on the bumper. The bumper came painted from the factory, so all he did was paint the lower valence here, and then the inner piece right here, and then his fog lights right there as well. So he's got one of the brand new Ram 2500s here, and if you've never seen these things on the inside, they're pretty amazing. They got the huge Tesla style screen in here. The interior is not bad. Coming from a Ford guy, it's kind of tempting, but I don't know. I don't know if I can make the switch, but this interior is pretty nice. So, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and help him throw this front end back together. He said it was kind of a pain to pull it all apart because he pulled the bumper off with it as well, because it was a lot easier for him to get the lower trim piece out, get the headlights out, all that sort of stuff, because there's so many clips on these new trucks and screws everywhere. So he went ahead and pulled the bumper off, all that sort of stuff. He was painting the valence anyway, so you know, might as well. But we got the headlights done. They look great, they match great, and I think this thing's gonna look pretty sweet once you get back together. But we're gonna kind of go through, show you how we put this stuff back together, maybe get a little insight on these new Rams, and then go from there.
More than dust, search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Alright, so we got everything done. It looks pretty good, and that might be an understatement because the whole front end paint matched along with our headlights, and those clear reflectors looks about perfect. What do you think? You did a good job. Like I said, they're cool lights, they're a cool design,
They are, yeah.
but they're probably not cheap if you ever got to replace them. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up here. That's where we're gonna end the video, but I hope you liked the video. Putting this back together, putting the lights together, how they come apart, whatever it may be. Get a little insight on these new Dodges, because they're quite the job to take apart and put back together. So if you guys have any comments, make sure to like, subscribe, whatever it may be, and thanks for watching.